Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is 7th question of its exercise 2.1. So the question says that Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share? By how much? So हमें given है part of apple eaten by Ritu 3 by 5. So part of apple eaten by Somu. So जगह हमारे पास कंप्लीट एक एप्पल था. सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट सोमू ने खाया है. सो 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Then how much part of the apple did Somu eat? So it's 2 by 5. Who had the largest share? So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. So हम डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं Ritu had the larger share. By how much? So it's 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to, denominator same है, so 3 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. So by how much? So it's 1 by 5. Thank you.